Marinate this here. Hit it. Here it goes. It says, what's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. I have got you guys two beautiful marination of our T-bone steaks. One is a quick marinade and one is a homemade recipe. Alright guys, right here, a beautiful piece of a T-bone steak is right here. We all love this, right? We have two beautiful pieces of T-bone steak going on. One is the easiest way and one is the flavorful way. So one is fast and one is flavorful. Let's work towards the fast first. This is steak seasoning by Little. You can get any kind of steak seasoning. It doesn't matter. Any brand works in here. We'll put half tablespoon right here. You'll just press it a little bit from top. You'll flip it. How to grill the steak on the charcoal grill or any gas grill. Half tablespoon goes right here. We'll just press it and it's all done, right? Let's marinate this guy. Another T-bone steak with a different flavor. Fantastic, awesomely, deliciously good steak. T-bone steak. First thing for that, you will need a blender juicer. You'll need at least 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. They go right here. You'll need half of the onion, flavorful, delicious, thick slice of a lemon. This is what we need. And with the skin on, we'll just add it right here. 10 grams of fresh ginger, cumin, half tablespoon of cumin. This is carom seeds. Half tablespoon goes in here. Quarter piece of jalapeno. We have white pepper powder, half tablespoon. Olive oil, at least 3 tablespoons of olive oil goes in here. 25 ml of water in here. Let's blend this. Grab a Ziploc bag guys, put your whole T-bone steak inside. It gets easier, it's less messy. Alright, our blend is ready right here. Perfect. Our blend is ready. All of this right in here. I'll take half tablespoon of salt. I'll just add it right here. Ziploc it. And now is the magic. Just rub the whole thing. You can leave this overnight to get the best flavor out of it. Look at this. One perfect, easy way of T-bone steak is right here, and one is a home marinated, or you can say the flavorful guy. I would say flavorful both because I like this way and I like this way as well. All right, next thing what we have to do, just leave it at least for 5 minutes. Our charcoal grill is ready right there guys. Just 5 minutes. We'll be putting our steak right on top of the grill. We will cook the steak. If you like medium rare, put it for 3 minutes each side. If you like well done, put it for at least 4 minutes. Or if you are in between, 3.5 minutes each side. So let me tell you about this steak seasoning. So it has salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, coriander, cumin, onion, sunflower oil, spice extract, may contains wheat, egg, soy milk, and sesame. It's all covered in the dry seasoning, and I have even covered the sides now. So perfectly right in the middle, right there. Here is our home marinated T-bone steak. OMG, look at this. What a beautiful color is this. Here goes that guy. Let it cook, let it just rest, at least just the way it is, at least 3 minutes initially. Some fresh spring onions, some asparagus, fresh broccoli. I'll take some olive oil. So oil on our veggies. And just a little bit tiny drops. Look at the char guys right here. Wonderful, right? This is our homemade marination. And this is the ready-made steak seasoning. Right here. Initial 3 minutes are done. Our vegetables are getting cooked. So if you like your steak to be medium, the temperature inside of the steak should reach at least 125 to 135, right? Right here. Take a look here. Let's put this in. Let's see the temperature. So 125 is the minimum requirement, and it's not there yet. It means we just flip the sides, so it's going to take at least some time, but it's, if you guys see, it's rising. It's getting there. Let's check on this guy. All the way in. Alright, so it's already gone on top. Our homemade seasoning is getting all the way in. 135. So if you guys really like medium rare, now it's the perfect time. 3 minutes. We are done with this. Delicious, juicy. It's been 3.5 minutes, both sides. I'll land it. Here you go, guys. Take a look on this one. This is the ready-made seasoning right here. Let's cut it out. Let me show you what we have done. Grab your plates, man. Go in here. Wow, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look on this now. Yum. It's so soft, man. I mean, you guys see? It's just yummy. Yummy, beautiful. Alright, this is the ready-made seasoning, guys. Here you go. I'll cut it right here. Oh. Wonderfully, deliciously, both steaks done. The T-bone steak, check the juices, it's coming out of it. Perfectly done. Medium well, beautiful T-bone steaks on charcoal grill. This is the fastest and this is the flavorful. That's what we are naming. If you want to make this recipe, guys, just follow the same way I showed you. This is our ready-made ingredient. Oh, wow. Whew. This is our homemade. I have very high hopes on this. Juicy, super tender, delicious. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe the channel, like the video. Take care of yourself. Happy Mother's Day. Bye for now. No tenderizers, nothing. Natural. It is so juicy, it's so tender, man. I can't even tell you. Yum. Guys, the ready-made steak has wonderful flavor as well. Trust me. If you want to get this ready-made, seasoning, I would say stop by it little and get this one. It's really good. Yes.